dude, those clouds look awesome in the GoPro.
Oh, I bet they did.
Ah, let's catch the fish.
Brayden, you have a popper. I want to see that action again.
Oh my god.
I have a popper. I hope we don't get rain.
Huh?
I hope we don't get rain.
Nah, it'll be fine. Whole pack's going that way, and we're going this way.
Did it rain on this?
Stand out from the crowd, man. Well, just catch a whole bunch of fish real quick, and we won't have to worry about it.
That one.
That's a bluegill.
Oh, what?
No, he tried to eat it. I saw him come up and hit it.
That is just a really small bass.
Bait's up here. Fish are up here.
Oh my god.
Whack.
Oh.
Oh, he just ate the dead shad.
You did?
Yeah.
I got one.
Yeah.
That was definitely.
Try and hook that again. There you go. That's the one I want to see. That's a pretty soft one. Cast back in there, buddy. It may be best if they came up. He definitely came up and ate that dead shad.
Yeah. No, we still there. At least he tried to.
He definitely tried to.
Oh my god, let's go.
That's number one.
Oh, it's. I got him. Here, Brayden, come up here.
You're fine. You're fine. Just go slow. Is it a bass?
Yeah, it looks like it. Bring him up. Oh, it's a nice one. Got one. Oh my.
Okay, here.
Lordy Lord.
Here. I got this. Hit spot walk line.
Yep.
Okay. There you go. Come here, buddy. I think he'll go 12. Oh yeah, all day.
They're just biting it before I can even like reel it in.
Yep.
Yeah, I
Nice.
Oh my god!
Yeah, you get yours up there, dude.
I'm going to.
They're just stacked right there right this second.
They're going to get an easy limit before.
Don't let them jump too much. There you go. Where are we at? Where are we at? Where are we at? This way a little. Got him.
Oh, I had flashbacks. Maybe it's because Brayden's smaller. And
It could be.
I think what they like is like how like when you move it and then stop it, it looks like it's dying.
Yep, and then start it again.
Yeah.
So work in some pauses.
Yours is
There you go.
smaller, so it's easier to eat too. Yeah. Okay.
over by that group of shed. Take a step forward. Get him up here first. Yeah, you'll be fine. We'll see. Number 5.
Think.
Go get another one.
Yeah.
Ain't big, but. They gonna ring.
It gonna rain. Kristen, do you think Wacky would work here?
Yeah. Yep, we'll do a few more casts and then they go back to that point we started on. Something like that. Had a lot more fish on there.
Yep.
There you go. Knew there'd be one over here. Lots of up. Braden, just get that. Get the net in the water, just the very tip of it. Elena, bring it to you. Alright, hang on. There you go. Good fish. Alright, net up, Braden. So Elena can get the line around. There you go. There you go. Good job. Nice and easy. Bring her up nice and easy. Watch your net, Braden. Watch the net. There you go. Good job. Good job, boys.
If you extend the net, it's harder to hold.
Sometimes.
But you can extend it to like that first notch and then it's easier.
Look at that one, man. Yeah. Grab him. Hold it with this hand and you can see the worm. Talk to him.
Alright. Cut this one on a point on this shaky head. This will definitely be a good pull.
That's a nice one.
I don't see what this one is.
2 3/4 though.
Nah, he's not a 3. Oh,
Yeah, he is. He's over 3.
335.
At least a 335.
Nice one.
This is number 3.
Oh, I do have a fish over there. I didn't even think I had a fish. Because I flipped nothing.
Just go ahead and flip him to me. You're good. He looks like he's hooked alright. Good job. Oh. Oh, I do have a fish.
I set the hook and I thought it was a weed, and then as I'm reeling in, I feel tension.
Ooh, I don't know if he's gonna help. Nope. Oh, well, hang on. I weighed the other ones with a cold clip on.
I got one too.
Okay. I'll tip up, homie. Nope, too light. You can just flip him if you want to. Ooh, I almost threw the cold. Oh yeah, he'll help. Good fish. No white is bleeding. He's hooked right in the side.
That was a W net job.
don't know, but they're following it from the ground out. Typically what's happening. Alright, never mind.
Can you flip him?
I don't know.
He may be a little more decent than the other one.
Oh, there it goes.
Yeah, so I said, wait till they calm down, then go for the net.
One time the net screw came off, so I literally had to hold it from here and scoop it open.
Yeah, that's what we had to do up there.
Time for a little D-bomb action. What's that? Because the water is warmer than the air right now. Another one. Ooh, that's a good one. That's a good one. That's all, man. There you go. I got him. Good job, you're down this time. Don't you? I like them too. I like them quickly. Not long, but they are cocky. What's that? Which one?
Weather update. It's raining pretty hard, but the fish are still biting. We're still working the slow wall, and it's still proving to work. So let's see if we can get back out there.
Hey, can everybody ask if it could rain harder? This is your fault. It's a white mist. Good. I'm not fishing. They're in a kids fishing tournament. Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
What's the age requirement?
7 to 18.
It's no longer kids if they're 18.
Yeah. How are you all today?
Good.
Good.
Good. Have you guys got anything though? Like, where's the game?
Yep, they've got 5 fish limit, but bass.
Bass?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Wide?
So
Large?
I'm not fishing, but there's mine.
Okay. Okay, perfect.
They're all largemouth.
Yeah? All right. You guys just spot logger?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Well, since we're here, we're going to do a bow inspection real quick, okay?
Sure. What you need?
I need, I mean, they're wearing the life jacket, so I
Yep.
just need one from you.
Yep. Mine. Lane, grab mine. Mine's right there. Yep. Mine's
Try
on.
not to get your bow.
Oh, you're fine.
Because it's pretty.
Here's mine. It was right on my seat.
All right, perfect.
So.
Actually, in order for that one to count, you have to be wearing it.
Okay.
Okay? You have a fire extinguisher with you?
Yes, ma'am. Fire extinguisher?
Perfect. You have a type 4 throwable?
Yes, ma'am. Right here. Throwable and rope.
Horn and whistle?
Yep. Whistle.
Yeah. Look at you over there, sir. That's what I'm talking about. Awesome. Thank you very much.
As well as horns, flares, everything else we need.
You are prepared.
ma'am.
Awesome. Well, how long is the tournament going on for?
It goes to 1:30 for juniors, and then high school, I think, is done at 1:45.
Okay, you guys have time. You
Oh.
got this, right?
They're doing pretty good. They've got some good ones.
And
So.
you got some already on the boat?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I see your license?
Absolutely. They're all. Yeah. They're all tagged, but they're all.
You say you got 3?
We've got 5.
You got 5?
Yes, ma'am. They're all over tournament and everything. Oh, come on.
Oh, yeah. Oh, those are nice. You guys, I'm rooting for you.
Well, we appreciate
I'm
it.
rooting for you. Alrighty, I'll let you get back to it.
Absolutely.
All right,
Thank you.
good luck. Thank you. All right. By the way, thanks for bringing them out.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah, because, you know, it takes a parent.
Oh,
Appreciate you.
have a good day.
You